Security lighting. Lighting is an essential component of every perimeter security installation. It is usually the first line of defense at the security fence or wall line. Lights deter intruders from attempting to breach the perimeter, improve early detection, and limit intruder movements while security staff mobilizes. Benefits of perimeter security lighting. Increased distance monitoring. Increased movement detection. Increased clarity for CCTV cameras. Deter intrusion attempts. Peace of mind. Deterring and detecting threats. Exterior security lighting is used in conjunction with fencing, guards, and access control systems and are excellent psychological deterrents against would-be intruders. Security staff that patrol the grounds at night need low-level lights for patrolling while also limiting their visibility to intruders. A wide range of exterior security lighting allows for more effective and reliable surveillance. Light at low levels can help to enhance the vision of security forces by contrasting objects with their surroundings, which is ideal in harsh conditions such as fog or darkness. In addition, this type of light minimizes glare and does not interfere with automated monitoring systems like CCTV cameras. Types of security lighting. Continuous lighting. Continuous lighting floods a given area with overlapping cones of light. Standby lighting. Fence sensors or manual input are used to trigger lights when suspicious activity is detected. Emergency lighting. Powered by a battery or generator, emergency lighting is used when normal lighting fails. Portable lighting. These are temporary lights that are usually manual and movable. Security lighting placement. Factors that affect the effectiveness of security lighting include height of the light fixture, illuminance, light trespass, direct glare, light uniformity. Senstar LM100, Perimeter Intrusion Detection and Deterrence System. Combining two key security functions in one cutting-edge product, the Senstar LM100 acts as a powerful deterrent against intruders, detecting and illuminating them at the fence line while alerting the site's security system.